Bring your left foot forward to the inside of your left hand, your front toes in line with your fingers, and your leg is bent at a 90-degree angle. The knee is stacked above the heel with the foot facing forward. Now, pivot on the ball of your right foot to drop your right heel to the floor. Place your right hand to the outside of your left foot, allowing the right shoulder to rest on the outside of the left knee. Draw the belly in towards the spine as you twist your torso towards your left knee, opening up the chest and stacking the shoulders, the right on top of the left. Lift your left arm towards the ceiling, bringing your gaze to the left hand. And then gently release back to center, where you would then step back into a standing pose and repeat on the other side.